Hello, good morning children. This is Jasveer Kaur ma'am, your social science teacher. As I'm going to teach you about the Russian Revolution. And Russian Revolution, like another name of Russian Revolution, we can say rise of socialism or transformation from capitalism to socialism. As both the concepts we have discussed in detail earlier also, capitalism and socialism. I would like to tell once again, socialism is the idea of the country, basics of economy, when equal distribution of wealth and power among all the sections of the society. You know that for this socialism, whole of the Russia, there was the revolution. Tsar Nicholas II was their king during that time, right? The people who raised the revolution, they were middle class and their ideologies were liberals, conservatives and radicals. That we have discussed in our previous lectures as well as in the classroom also. And after that, we have started that there is economy and society of Russia. Economy and society, we studied about the how much population engaged in agriculture industry and what type of society was there. Workers were divided according to their skilled and unskilled metal workers who do the work of metal, this and that. Hopefully you remember, I have recalled the whole chapter whatsoever we have discussed in our previous lectures, 2-3 lectures, and today I am going to tell you about the major events that took place during this revolution. You know that revolution is a very big incident in the history of the country. Moreover, we can say that not only the country but for other neighboring countries as a world also. You know that whatsoever happens in the one corner of the world, the other corners are also get shaken. Whatsoever happening in America, India is also getting affected from that. Whatsoever coronavirus, you know, spread from China, how it influenced the other countries of the world. You know that we are also getting influenced by all these things, and due to this, once again we are on the same track. I hope that that track won't be there continuously. It is for time being. I hope so. Be prepared. 1905. It is very important timeline in the history of Russian Revolution. It is called turbulent time also, and somehow it is called that this revolution of 1905 was a dress rehearsal for Russian Revolution. Mean to say, you have seen when you have any type of annual function or any type of activity, even we have to go to attend any function whatsoever, we have jewelry, this and that, all once you used to do wear and see how it looks. And whatsoever happened during this, it is the landmark in the history of Russian Revolution, and that's why it is called a dress rehearsal also for the Russian Revolution. And then after that there was February Revolution, then October Revolution. We have to study it in detail what happened during February Revolution, what were the results of February Revolution. Exactly same way we have to see what happened during this October Revolution and what were the consequences of revolution, and moreover we will study what happened in between February and October Revolution. Right? Here I would like to take the name of different things: Bolsheviks, Mensheviks, different democratic revolutionary socialist parties. Many things happened during this. Right? That we will study in detail one by one. And today I am going to tell you about 1905 time period. That is time period is known as landmark in the history of Russian Revolution. As you know that Russia was an autocratic country, right? At that time their ruling was autocracy. Unlike other European rulers, even the beginning of the 20th century, this Tsar Nicholas II was not subjected like that to the parliament. Liberals in the Russian campaign in the end of state affairs, together with the social democrats and social revolutionaries, this revolution took part, and there was peasants, farmers and industrialists were there, and you know that the basic concept why people struggle for different things. In the previous lecture I told you three things are always there. Number one, working conditions. Number two, working hours and wages. I called it cube of WW, working hours, working conditions and wages. That's why people raise struggle, and that all these scenario affect the economy of a particular country, and this was happening there also. A very important incident took year 1905 under the leadership of Father Gapan. Father Gapan, who was the leader of Pulice iron works workers, because workers were on the strike, and now the question arises why they were on the strike. These workers on the strike because their wages declined 20% during this time, and they wanted that their wages should be increased. In spite of increasing, their wages got declined. What the workers will do? Ultimately they will rise the revolution, right? So in this way they were supported in the empire by the nationalists in the region of Poland, Muslim dominated society, that is Jadyists. It is also like the communities, Muslim dominated communities, Jadyists, right? They were dominated over there, and in 1904 this was a very bad thing for Russian workers, as I told you. Their wages declined 20%, they raised revolution, and Pulice iron works, right? Pulice iron works workers were there, where it was formed, and they called an industrial strike, where more than 10,000 workers took part. More than 10,000 workers took part in this, right? And they were this strike was led in St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is the name of place where this strike, and they wanted their working hours should be reduced, right? And their wages should be proper, working conditions should be proper, and in this hodgepodge there were more than 100 persons were killed and more than 300 persons wounded, and this incident is known as Bloody Sunday. This incident is known as Bloody Sunday. So very important in the history landmark, and in this इसमें से Pulice iron works, some crane operator was dismissed, right? And in this way, this all the country, all this was happening there, and then these students' bodies stage walkouts complaining about their lack of civil liberties also. Lawyers, doctors, engineers and middle class workers were also against this, and they have established their own unions and workers. In this way, watching the whole scenario, Tsar Nicholas II declared that he has suspended the Duma. Duma is the name of parliament over there. When we have parliament, that is also their parliament. Duma is the name of parliament that is prevailing. He dismissed and asked them that he will re-elect this Duma very soon. See what this simple लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं, उनको मीठी गोली दे दी कि दे वुड बी सेटिस्फाइड, ओके किंग विल डू समथिंग फॉर अस, बट नथिंग वॉज डन लाइक दैट. Within 75 days, king re-elected its Duma himself only without consulting any workers, any type of citizens, neither men not women. But there was a hope among the citizens that king will consult us, right? This was the one political cause also of the revolution, but Tsar Nicholas II didn't bother to consult these people regarding their Duma elected, and even Duma within 3 months he has elected, and he changed the voting laws and packed the third Duma with conservative politicians. वेरी फंटास्टिकली, बहुत कनिंग वे से इंडिया ने जो रिजर्वेशन थी वो कंजर्वेटिव्स को दे दी. यू नो दैट वी डिस्कस दैट द कंजर्वेटिव वर नॉट इन द फेवर ऑफ चेंज. They respect the traditional values. Whatsoever is going on, let it be going on. Why we are changing? All the things will change according to the time. This is not our responsibility to change the things. So that's why that Tsar Nicholas took the benefit of that opportunity and reserved Duma for those people, and showed that I have taken common people also in my this scenario, in this my parliament, in this my Duma, and liberals and revolutionaries were kept away from this. Okay, my students, take care. Don't forget to watch your videos. These are very very important from your examination point of view. Hopefully you are revising, right? I can hope so you are revising. So what is I have told you about the turbulent time of 1905, first major event of Russian Revolution.